Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about animals and their babies. Listen and learn with me. A dog is a pet. Its baby is called a puppy. A cat is small and soft. Its baby is a kitten. A cow gives milk. Its baby is a calf. A sheep has wool. Its baby is a lamb. A goat has small horns. Its baby is a kid. A horse runs fast. Its baby is a foal. A pig loves mud. Its baby is a piglet. A chicken lays eggs. Its baby is a chick. A duck swims in water. Its baby is a duckling. A cat sleeps a lot. Its baby is a kitten. An elephant has a long trunk. Its baby is a calf. A lion is strong and loud. Its baby is a cub. A tiger has stripes. Its baby is a cub. A bear is big and furry. Its baby is a cub. A monkey climbs trees. Its baby is an infant. A giraffe has a long neck. Its baby is a calf. A zebra has black and white stripes. Its baby is a foal. A camel has a hump. Its baby is a calf. A kangaroo jumps high. Its baby is a joey. A koala sleeps in trees. Its baby is a joey. A deer runs in the forest. Its baby is a fawn. A fox is fast and smart. Its baby is a kit or pup. A wolf lives in a pack. Its baby is a pup. A dolphin swims in the sea. Its baby is a calf. A whale is very big. Its baby is a calf. A mouse is small. Its baby is a pup. A rabbit has long ears. Its baby is a kit or bunny. A frog jumps and swims. Its baby is a tadpole. An owl flies at night. Its baby is an owlet. A parrot can talk. Its baby is a chick. A turkey has a big tail. Its baby is a poult. A goose swims in water. Its baby is a gosling. A swan is white and pretty. Its baby is a cygnet. A bat flies at night. Its baby is a pup. A snake crawls on the ground. Its baby is a hatchling. Great job! Now you know 35 animals and the names of their babies. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.